Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Banglama. I have here beef keema rice, beef keema biryani. It's easy to cook, and look how it's not sticking to the pan or sticking to each other. It's an easy recipe. Follow the instruction. Please watch the full video. Let's get started. First of all, I will be cooking the keema. So I have here 2 tablespoons of oil, and I've added chopped ginger and garlic and some bay leaves. Stir until it's brown, and then add 1 onion finely chopped. This is for 500 grams of mincemeat. Stir until the onions are brown, golden brown, and then add the mincemeat. This is freshly bought from the shop, and leave it for 15 minutes in a slow flame. And after 15 minutes, add the spices. The spices I have added is chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder, and salt to taste. Cook for another 5 minutes in a slow heat, then your mincemeat is ready. Now I have soaked here 2 cups of basmati rice for about 5 minutes, soaked and clean. And now I'll be cooking the rice. To cook the rice, for 2 cups of rice, I've added 4 cups of water. Added some bay leaves, and then add the washed rice. And then add the mincemeat, the cooked mincemeat. So for 2 cups of rice, I'm using 500 grams of mincemeat. And now I will leave this to cook until the water has drained in a slow heat. And after about 15 minutes, look how it's done. The rice is not sticking to the pan, and it's not sticking to each other. It's not sticky. It's just perfect. And just to demonstrate, to show the rice is done, so I will check this by pressing it. Yeah, now the rice is done. So at last I am just adding 1 teaspoon of ghee and a small teaspoon of biryani powder. This is optional, but just for the extra scent, I have added the biryani powder, and now I will mix it together again and cover it up and leave it for a few more minutes in a low flame, and then it's done. Please subscribe to my channel with bell icon on, so you get notification every recipe I upload. And don't forget to like, share, and comment your opinion. Thank you for supporting me, and assalamu alaikum.